4th of July is right here on our heels, y'all. And I've shared some of my family's favorite things that we do on the 4th of July. But you know what? I hadn't done a beverage yet. And cold beer might be most people's beverage preference. But you know, some of us don't want to drink beer, and you certainly don't want to have your children having to drink beer to quench their thirst. So I'm gonna make a summer spritz, and it's very, very simple, y'all. The recipe, I'll give you the full recipe that's gonna appear on our website, but I'm only doing half because I don't think Teresa and I can hold a whole gallon today by ourselves. So it's 3 cups of cran raspberry juice, 1.5 cups of pineapple juice, 1 can of peach nectar, and it comes in a can like that. There's some calories in this, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But it's not in your frozen fruit food section like you'd think it is. Guess who's here, y'all?
It's funny how he shows up for drinks.
Well, this don't got no alcohol in it, so he might not be interested. And then ginger ale and ice for serving. So, hola! Did they dilate your eyes? Can you see?
I can see far. I can't see
You know,
close.
maybe one of us should have taken you and picked you up from the eye doctor. Too late now. Glad you made it home safely. So, we're halving that recipe. So we're gonna go in with the peach nectar, our cran raspberry juice, our pineapple juice. Is this just half of this can?
Mm-hmm. No, it's a full can.
Okay. Oops. And then we're gonna fill this up with ginger ale. So it's a really pretty drink, and it kind of looks like we're sticking with the 4th of July theme. You know, it kind of looks a little reddish. So I want to give this a stir. If you're gonna go out on the boat or something like that, there's plenty of plastic containers that you can put this in, because you don't want to particularly be using glass.
Eddie, come do a cheers with Paula.
Yes.
Come on.
A toast.
To good eyes.
Uh-huh.
Good eyes.
To good eyes.
I have the same eyes as a teenager. So.
And 4th of July.
That.
Well, my prescription hasn't changed since I was
And 4th of July.
What?
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. You could put some gin or vodka, I guess, in this for the adults. But seeing how I'm not an adult, I'm gonna drink mine like this. What'd you think?
Yeah, it's good. Definitely gin.
Oh, it's good, isn't it?
Very refreshing.
A lot of calories in it, though, you know.
Is it?
Just that peach nectar is 140 calories. So who's counting? It's the 4th of July. Happy 4th, y'all. Be safe and very careful, because you want to be prepared if you run into any really, really inebriated people out there. You're going to be able to dodge them and get out of their way. So have a good one, y'all. Love you. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.